software that multiplies the firm. BizBooks Pro's Firm Edition is built for practices, not just practitioners. Unlimited staff, unlimited clients, and something nobody else offers at this price. A client portal wearing your firm's brand, not ours. Everything your seniors already need. The full practitioner toolkit comes firm-wide: client dashboard, adjusting entry templates, trial balance, tax planning, and remote access into client installs, with 5 role levels so partners, managers, and staff each see exactly what their role warrants. Staff work, partner reviewed. Staff journal entries land in a review queue. A partner approves or rejects with notes, and the audit trail records every step. Segregation of duties enforced by the system, not the policy binder. The white label client portal. And here's the firm differentiator. Host a client's books on your own server and hand them a portal carrying your firm's name and colors. Send an invitation. They create a login, and you control exactly what they see: financials, documents, and a message thread with your team. What your client sees. This is your client side. Your brand at the door, the live financial statements inside, documents your team publishes, and messages that reach a person who knows their books. No software for them to buy, nothing for them to install. Specialized practices covered. Firms serving nonprofits or governments step up to the Specialist Firm Editions. Firm Nonprofit carries FASB 958 into every client file, and Firm Government brings GASB fund accounting, encumbrances, and the full audit stack. Talk to us. Accountant Firm is one flat annual price for unlimited staff and unlimited clients, with time and billing built in and priority support with a dedicated contact. Start the 30-day trial and picture the portal with your logo on it.